Okay, so I'm gonna do these videos in increments because I don't think it's gonna go through in one shot. There's the mark that they put the wrong mirror on. Let's see. Paint on it is in good shape. There's a little spot here. Let's see. Everything else is decent. The convertible top is new. Let's see. The inside is nice. I'm gonna take 1 minute intervals of the car. Windshield wipers work, lights work, the horn works. Convertible top goes up and down. Interior is nice. Top is nice, it's new. It's got a glass convertible top. Convertible top works. Top down. This is it. Roll down. Start the car up. Car running. Carburetor on it, power booster. Any other picks, let me know. Let's go to the back. Exhaust. That's fine. And that's it. Alright, let me take one more video of the trunk. There's your pictures. Everything seems solid. Everything seems pretty solid. And I guess that's it. I didn't even tell you if it's got I don't even 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a 10 bolt. Everything underneath is in good shape. The exhaust looks new. Let's see if I can get something this way. Everything under here. I don't see any rot. And that's it. Even has a kill switch, or I should say a safety switch that can't start the car if you hit the button.